put a new 100 in. I pulled it out when I was about $140. Put a new one in. We'll see what happens. I'm hopeful. They've been tight. $58. That helps. Can we get True Dragon? Up here. Okay. Okay, that was fast taps. Was that about 6, guys? Maybe less. Let's do it. True Dragons look good, right? $45. Okay, we got 27. Let's go. Well, at least we're getting a little bit back. I'm hopeful. Alright, we're going up. $22.50. One there and anything. Okay, that's good. That's really good. 180. Thank you. Oh boy, I love you. I love you. 10 more to go. Let's go. Thank you, thank you. True Dragon. What do you think, guys? Will I get more? Shock me with the ring trigger, babe. Another dragon right there. Bye. To the left is the entrance to Quilceda Creek. Happy 4th of July. I'm trying to hire bets in there, not doing it. Oochie doochie doo. Number 2 got in, is up there on 375. Wow. Come on, go, go, go. Okay, it's all right. 78. Let's go on that. He got 215, but he got in right away at 375 on number 2 at Quilceda Creek on 4th of July. I would hire him in a minute if I had a job for him. But I don't have any job. go, Jack. It's 4th of July and they got the prettiest little balloons, but I can't show you because there's people near them. Trying to keep the people out of the camera. Okay, the first one only gave me 40. Let's give me 80 to 8,000. Come on. The top on 250 is 8,800. And I've had it before at Tulalip. You know what it is. Oh, the Kings and 6 Dragionis. Uh-oh, Didario. Help me. Dominique, how you doing? Oh, that's pretty. Thank you, thank you. Now it's time. One more, baby. Yeah. Woo, let's do it. 31. Papa, boom, the end. Boom. Now, King. King. Oh, shoot. 30. I thought we had the King. I felt it. I was wrong. But 147 is better than 40, honey. All right, 158. I'll take it. So maybe I'm ready to hit. Let's go. Nice to see you. How are you, honey? Bye. This is you, darling. So sweet. I love it. He went to the Philippines for a while. Just got back not long ago. Oh, excuse me, guys. I had a little sneezy Reno boo. Yeah, he won't let me film it. And he's so handsome. And he's so darling on film. But I totally respect that. Like, you don't want to be filmed either. I won't film it. I'll be a good girl. Did you hear what he said about Pamela? Our wedding? My friend... Some of my friends that were doing high were losing heavy. $34. Ay. I was talking to someone, so guys, I didn't get much film. Okay. Okay, our 4th time in. First 2 times were 250, then 125, now 1. So it's not really hitting 250 and above right now. Maybe later. Speed it up. We're at Quilceda Creek. And it is the 4th of July. I'd love to show you the balloons. They're so pretty. G-Man is here, but in a different area. Okay. No. Come on, babe. We need to hit something big. 48. That's not bad. We're going to speed it up. One more. Come on, re-trigger. Let's go. Nada. No está bien. Hola, mi amigos. ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Sí? Vamos. All right, guys, I got in. Took a while. Let's go here. I'm going to move it over here. Cover it. There's a guy coughing pretty bad next to me. I put on my mask. I love these things. Oh, we got 34. Come on, we need more. Bigger than big. Free trigger, babe. So it's the 5th time in 250. Oh no. Okay. It's really hitting low, guys. 250, let's go. This has turned out to be okay. I really need though a lot more money. More money, honey. To pay me back for my losses the other day at Swinomics. Swinomics was brutal. And then I started to hit, and then my husband wanted to go home. So I had to leave before I got all my money back. Darn it. Back in. I got some tea. Hey, everybody. Happy 4th of July. Just regular tea. 4th of July. Let's do it. Can we get two Dragionis for little old PK? I need it, baby. I do. All right. Go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's it, guys. 25. Ouch. Okay, I'm ready for a big shaker. I really am. That on 250 on number 2. Actually, the machine to my right is in at 2 also. Maybe I should try 2 longer. I don't see it though. How about 375? Come on. Yeah, so he said 250. And he's got almost 200. Let's try 250. It didn't seem to like 250. Try 5. More 5. Okay, 190. 625. It just doesn't do it, guys. Trying 250 again. It's not working. Try 625. Try 7. Try 8. Nothing. Nope. Wow. We got in at 125. I moved it up, did a fast tap. We're at 29. Let's get higher. Minimum 60 bucks, baby. Let's do it. 34. Take me up, baby. We can do it. 38 is okay though. It's a new 100. Okay. All right. We'll try. Sometimes it works. It worked on the 375 and then it died. All right, go. And go. Okay, I'm in at $1. I put 100 in. I kept playing. Nothing. All right, let's see what we get. We're down at $52. Let's get it back. Come on, give me 50 or more. What do you think, Vicky and Art? I hope you're having fun, guys. Hey, Art, I hope you're doing better, honey. I'm putting those videos out with you in mind. I do say hi a lot. And also Dominique and all my other friends. Boss Lady, how are you guys? Not much, but 28 is 28. Yay! Here's something, guys. Okay, we're gonna try 250. It's being rather bad. Try 5. 625. No, it doesn't look like it wants to put new money in, guys. I tried this one over here, number 4. Oh my God, that was so dead. The lady that said down betting 250, I tried everything. I mean, up to $5, not one thing. And they have the full coin. The coins mean nothing, really. I've seen a lady put a couple grand in when they had full coins. And she was betting high, 375 and up. That's high for me. So it's taking me down a couple hundred from what I had. Come on. 42, can we do better? Oh boy. Nope, cannot do better. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, let's see what happens. It was taking me way down. I put my 2 other tickets in, so I got that. Something. It's not hitting. Let's try 5. Can we get a shaker? Nothing there. Try 625. Nope, it's not going to do it. Come on. Let's go. Oh my God. Okay. Nada. Only $1. It took me down to 314. I did get some ladies, but that was it. On a low bet. That looks good. Help me out. One more. One more in the queue. Oh no. Jack. Well, we have 48. Okay. We'll take the 48. One more. Hit me, baby. Nothing. to my right is in at 250. How about 375? Come on. Okay, 250. So 375. Come on, 3. Okay, 5. 5. 625. Fantastic. Maybe triggered. Oh, I hope so. I'm not getting in. Let's try 250. Both guys on either side of me are in. The 250 just doesn't seem that promising. Come on, 250. Go. Wow. How about 375? Got in and we triggered also. Said it's number 2, but I can't even get in on my low bid. It doesn't like 250. Wow. I need it to like 250. Come on, baby. Now, yeah. Oh, that took a lot of time. All right, let's go. Let's get a re-trigger just like they got. I need it. I need it, baby, baby. Don't do me like that. 2 dragons. I want to re-trigger. Oh, nothing. Oh my God. Oh no, don't do me like that. You know what I need. Anything, bases, fans, anything. Come on, okay, that's good. 342. Oh my God, thank you. I want some bases too. Okay, that helps. Good. Okay, we did it. Oh wow, good. Go up, go up, go up. Exciting. Frightening. 700. Can I get a picture of that?
Sure.
We got 700, so that's really nice at a 375.
45 spins.
45. How are you doing?
I am good. I'm waiting for the jackpot, like, you know, like shake, shake, shake.
Let's shake it.
Let's shake it.